Question number 2. Change the following statements using expressions into statements in ordinary language. For example, given Salim scores R runs in a cricket match. Nalin scores R plus 15 runs. So this is in the form of expressions in ordinary language. Nalim scores 15 runs more than Salim. This is the ordinary language. So we need to change the given statements using expressions into statements in ordinary language. यानी कि अगर हमें R runs given है जो सलीम ने स्कोर किया है and we are given in terms of R the score run scored by Nalim, then it is R plus 15. So what does this mean? कि 15 रन्स ज़्यादा स्कोर किए हैं नलीन ने. So in ordinary language we will write Nalin scores 15 runs more than Salim. This is an example that is given to us. A notebook cost rupees P. A book cost rupees 3P. So in this case we are given the cost of a notebook which is P. So rupees P is the cost of notebook and a book cost 3P. So 3P यानी कि it is 3 multiplied by P which is 3 times P. So we can say that when compared to the cost of a notebook, the cost of a book is 3 times that of a notebook. Here 3 multiplied by P क्या है और P क्या है? It is cost of a notebook. So it is 3 times the cost of a notebook. B. Tony puts Q marbles on the tables. He had 8 Q marbles in his box. So here we can say that Tommy's box contains 8 times because it is 8Q which is 8 multiplied by Q. So Tony's box contains 8 times the marbles that he puts on the table. टेबल पे कितने रखे? Q marbles. बॉक्स में कितने हैं? 8Q. That is 8 multiplied by Q which is 8 times Q. So बॉक्स में ज़्यादा marbles हैं. कितने ज़्यादा हैं? 8 times. So in ordinary language we will say Tommy's box contains 8 times the marbles that he puts on the table. C. Our class has n students. The school has 20n students. So here the number of students in one class is n and the number of students in the entire school is 20n, that is 20 multiplied by n, which we say in ordinary language as 20 times. So for finding the total number of students in the school in ordinary language we will say that the total number of students in the school is 20 times that in our classroom. Next, Jaggu is Z years old, his uncle is 4Z years old and his aunt is 4Z minus 3 years old. Now, here we can easily say that Jaggu's uncle is 4 times older than him. Jaggu's uncle is 4 times older than Jaggu because it is 4 multiplied by Z. And Jaggu's aunt is 3 years younger than his uncle. What is the reason for this? क्योंकि यहाँ पर 4Z जो है वो अंकल की एज है, -3 करेंगे that means it is less, that is she is younger. So his aunt is 3 years younger than his uncle. This is what we will say in ordinary language. E. In an arrangement of dots, there are R rows. Each row contains 5 dots. So we can say that in an arrangement, the total number of dots is equal to 5 times the number of rows because we are given that each row contains 5 dots. और ऐसे कितने rows हैं? R rows हैं. तो arrangement में कितने हुए? Total number of dots, it will be equal to 5 times the number of rows. Question number 3. Given Munnu's age be x years, can you guess what x minus 2 may show? Hint. Think of Munnu's younger brother. Can you guess what x plus 4 may show? What 3x plus 7 may show? So in this question, we are given that Munnu's age is x years. So we are asked, can you guess what is x minus 2? In the hint, we are given that think of Munnu's younger brother. यानी कि if Munnu has a younger brother, अगर कोई छोटा भाई है तो मुन्नू से तो छोटा ही होगा. तो x minus 2 क्या represent करता है? x से 2 years younger. So we can say that if Munnu's age is x years, then x minus 2 may show his younger brother's age. Because younger brother will be younger than Munnu, that is his age will be less than x. Next in this question we are asked, can you guess what x plus 4 may show? So for this we can think about his elder brother, यानी कि बड़े भैया. सो ही विल बी ओल्डर देन मुन्नू. तो x प्लस 4 जो है वो x से तो बड़ा है. x अगर 10 होगा तो x प्लस 4 विल बी 14. सो वी नो दैट 14 इज ग्रेटर दैन 10. दैट इज वाई if x plus 4 may show his younger brother's age, then it is correct. So if Munnu's age is x years, then x plus 4 may show his elder brother's age. Also we are asked what 3x plus 7 may show. We can simply say that it may show his mother's age because this age is far more greater than x. 3 times x plus 7. Simply consider the example of x is equal to 10. यानी कि x अगर 10 है तो 3x plus 7 क्या होगा? 3 multiplied by 10 which is 30 plus 7, that is 37. So it is a greater age. We can easily say that 3x plus 7 may show his mother's age. In the next part, we are given Sarah's age today to be y years. Think of her age in the future or in the past. What will the following expressions indicate? Y plus 7, y minus 3, y plus 4 and half, and y minus 2 and half. So here we need to think that what these expressions will indicate. Now as you can see, this is similar to question A. Here we are given that today Sarah's age is y years and we are asked to think of her age in future or in the past. So it is very simple that in future we will have a addition of ages and in the past there will be subtraction of ages. For example, y plus 7 will show Sarah's age after 7 years. That is, if Sarah's present age is y years, then 7 years hence she will be y plus 7 years old. So, this is her age 7 years after. Y minus 3 shows Sarah's age 3 years back because it is from the past. So 3 years back Sarah was y minus 3 years old. Next you have y plus 4 and a half. So this is Sarah's age after 4 and a half years. So this is after 4 and a half years because her present age is y years. So y plus 4 and a half. So that will be her age 4 and a half years later, afterwards. And here we have y minus 2 and a half. So this will be her age 2 and a half years before, क्योंकि this is from the past because here we have the sign of subtraction. So y minus 2 and a half years shows Sarah's age 2 and a half years back. Now since the B part is similar to the A part, and we have already discussed this in detail. You need to write the solution of the B part on your own in your notebook properly. In the last part, we are given n students in the class like football. What may 2n show? What may n by 2 show? Hint, think of games other than football. फुटबॉल के अलावा हम गेम्स सोच सकते हैं in order to say what does these show. So we are given that n students in the class like football. So if n shows the number of students who like football, then 2n shows twice the number of students who like football. We can say that 2n shows twice of those students who like cricket. You can think of any other game, so I am thinking of cricket. So once again, if n shows the number of students who like football, then 2n shows twice of those number of students who like cricket. नेक्स्ट वी आर आस्क्ड व्हाट मे n बाई 2 शो. अब यहाँ पे n बाई 2 का मतलब क्या है? जितना n होगा उसका आधा. इफ n इज इक्वल टू 50, देन n बाई 2 विल बी इक्वल टू 50 बाई 2. 50 डिवाइड बाई 2 विच इज इक्वल टू 25. दैट इज half of 50. So here n by 2 shows half. So consider this to be a game of tennis. Then we can say n by 2 shows half of those number of students who like tennis.